What make a sitcom stay relevant decades after it first aired? For millions of fans around the world, the answer is simple, friends. This show was not just about six people living in New York, it was about friendship, love, heartbreak, awkward relationship, unforgettable jokes, and growing up together, and the collection of sciences we were looking at today perfectly capture why this series remains one of the most beloved sitcom of all time. From hilarious misunderstanding, the emotional goodbye, three three moments, this why audience moments friends, why audience still return to friend again and again. The comedy that never misses. One thing Friends mastered better than almost any sitcom was turning ordinary situation into comedy gold. Take the infamous birthday cake disaster. Rachel order a beautiful bunny shaped birthday cake for Emma only to discover that the bakery accidentally puts Emma's face on adult them cake instead. The reaction from Ross, Chandler, Monica, and Joey create one of the most absurd and unforgettable comedy moments in the series. Then there Ross shopping for new clothes, determined to impress a date, he turns to Rachel and Monica for fashion advice. What follows is a perfect example of Ross being completely out of his elementary while everyone else enjoy the choice. And of course, who could forget Ross' legendary I am fine phase after discovering Joey and Rachel together? Ross despairingly pretend everything to okay. The more we insist he fine, the more obvious it becomes that absolutely not. It uncomfortable, hilarious, and classic Ross at all the same time. These these scenes showcase the brilliant writing that made everyday problems to feel creative and funny. While Friends is famous for its comedy, it also excellent at relationship drama. The joy, the the Joey and Rachel storyline remains one of the most talked about arcs in the show's history. Seeing Joey develop genuine feelings for Rachel created emotional tension among the group, especially because of Joey's friendship with Rose. When Rose discovered Joey and Rachel together, fans witness one of the most awkward situations imaginable. Instead of exploding with anger, Rose tries to be supportive, which somehow makes everything even more uncomfortable. The brilliance of this scene is that no one is entirely wrong. Everyone is trying to do the right thing, but emotion get in the way. That's what made the relationship in Friends feel real. The characters made mistakes, they got jealous, they got confused, but they always cared about each other. Rachel growth throughout the series. Perhaps no character experience a bigger transformation than Rachel Green. When the show begins, Rachel is spoiled, dependent, and unsure of herself. Over the years, she builds a successful career, becomes a mother, and grows into a confident, independent woman. One emotional moment highlights this perfectly when Rachel reflects on how much her friends helped shape who she becomes. She recognized that she would not be the person she is today without them. It's a powerful reminder that Friends was not just about romance, it was also about personal growth and the people who help us become better versions of ourselves. Rachel's journey is one of the strongest character arcs in sitcom history, and moments like these prove high fans connected with her so deeply. The emotional goodbye. No discussion of Friends would be complete without talking about the finale. As Rachel prepares to leave for Paris, every goodbye feels emotional. The group realizes that a major chapter of their lives is ending. But the most unforgettable moments comes when Rose finally confesses his feelings. After years of breakups, reunion, misunderstanding, and second chance, Rose tells Rachel that he loves her. At first, it seems like the opportunity has passed. Rachel board the plan and appear ready to leave. Then comes one of television's most iconic moments. Rachel realizes she still loves Rose. She rushes to get off the plan, fights through flights, through airport obstacles, and ultimately returns. When she arrives at Rose apartment and say, I got off the plane, fans finally receive the ending they had been waiting for. It's romantic, emotional, a perfectly pay off to one of television's longest running love story. What makes these scenes especially is not just comedy of the romance. It the connection between the characters, whether they are dealing with awkward relationship, career struggle, ridiculous misunderstanding, or life changing decision, they face everything together. That's why Friends continue to resonate with the audience around the world. The joke still make us laugh. The emotional moments still make us cry, and the friendship still remind us of the people who matter most. More than 20 years later, Friends remains exactly what its title performance, a story about friends, family, and finding your place in the world. And honestly, that's why we'll probably keep watching it for generation to come. So like and subscribe the video and share his friend more and more, and tells me about how can you video in comment. Thank you.